they speak English very well for the most part? Most of them
hardly nothing.
Okay.
You could say about how much they charged and half hour. Above and beyond that, not much.
Is it the same general feel when you go inside of them? That they kind of rushed or?
No, never felt rushed.
Okay.
But, you just go in and get ready and lay down and get the massage. And then they roll you over and want to do other things.
Yeah. And then when they start doing that, that's when
get up and leave.
Okay. So if we were to have video from 62 on West Clearwater with the camera that they have, right, is it going to show anything that we need to know about before we do the
About me?
investigation? Yeah. I mean, I can tell you personally that I know how aggressive they are there, and things happen fast, even to our UCs.
They might. Just the happy ending, not the full on.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
Have a great day, okay?